We came in 2011 because we had former lawyers. We'd been in prior litigation, and it hadn't gone exactly as we had hoped it would have gone. And so we were talking to a mutual acquaintance about that situation, and they recommended Bruce, Poole, and AJ, and you, AJ, and said that he felt that these are the guys really know what they're doing. They're who you need to go to if you don't want to waste your time and you want to get something, the value for your money and get the job done. And so at that point, my husband wasn't really ready to move lawyers yet again, but he felt that I felt too that we had to do something because we weren't doing very well with how things were. And so we felt that we needed to remove ourselves from the situation and from that area a little bit and get representation from outside the area. And so we came here on that recommendation, and we met with you and talked with you too, and you were very professional and put us at ease. And the experience, I think, too, with the fact that Bruce had a similar case before was helpful, and you were very enthusiastic about that whole situation and seeing what you could do for us. So that's how we ended up here. Bruce Poole and AJ Serafini were both very professional. If they didn't have an answer to a question immediately, they had one within 24 hours. They always responded. They always were good with pleadings and filings. They went anywhere we needed them to go in any jurisdiction, any court of law. They really approached things by focusing on the details that were important, eliminating a lot of side details that I had previously been hung up on personally, got rid of all of that, and went straight to the heart of the case, and that's what enabled the eventual success. It took a long time, but it is Maryland, and it took a long time. I've used the word professional before, and I want to say that, but they will go out on a limb to help people and do whatever it is that they can possibly do. I appreciate that everything that you've done for us, and honestly, you guys were very calm during some very, very trying times for us, and especially in front of the Maryland Court of Appeals. There were many times when I felt that my heart was just going to drop out of my body, and I didn't think I was going to be able to put another step forward. And AJ and Bruce helped both of us, not only professionally, but also were very personable with us and getting us through a very trying situation.